Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in last class we have completed reading and understanding of lesson number 13. In today's class, we are going to complete activity number 2 and 3. In activity number 2, question and answer is there, and activity number 3, some other questions are there. So let's start today's class. So here in activity number 2, first question it is given. Question number 1. What has Chisimba been thinking about for the past few days? Okay. What has Chisimba been thinking about for the past few days? So the answer is Chisimba has been thinking about how to earn money for school for the past few days. Okay. So for past few days, what he's thinking? He's thinking that how to earn money for his school. Okay. Now the next question, question number 2, it is given here that why does he decide not to grow a crop to sell? Because Simba is continuously thinking for few days that what he will do to earn money. So first he thought that he should plant crop. So that only question is given. Why does he decide not to grow a crop to sell? So the answer is he does not decide to grow a crop to sell because the planting season is over. Okay, already planting season is over. Already the farmers they have planted. Okay, the crops. So planting season is over. So therefore he has not means he does not decide to grow the crops. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 it is given. Why does he decide not to sell charcoal at the roadside? Secondly, what he thought? He thought that he can sell some charcoals near the roadside. That only question it is here. Why does he decide not to sell charcoal at the roadside? The answer is he does not decide to sell charcoal at the roadside because many people are already doing this. Means already so many people are doing like this, and he remembers what Roj was saying, that we must do the things which no one else is providing. That work we need to do. So already so many people are doing. So he does not decide to sell charcoal at the roadside. Question number 4. The question number 4 it is given. Why does Chisimba go to the market? Why he is going to the market? Why he goes to the market? So the answer is Chisimba goes to the market to buy fish for his mother. For his mother, he is going market to buy fish. Now the question number 5 it is given. Where is Mrs. Musole? Who is Mrs. Musole? Already it is explained in the chapter that Mrs. Musole, she is the vendor. She is the vendor who is selling the fish. Okay. So where is Mrs. Musole? The answer it is given here that Mrs. Musole went to town to bring the fish. Okay. That Mrs. Musole, when Chisimba has gone to there to buy the fish, she found that Mrs. Musole was not there. So where she has gone? Where is Mrs. Musole? So Mrs. Musole went to the town to bring the fish. Question number 6. What idea does Simba have for earning money? Means already he has thought about many things. So now what idea does Simba has for earning money? The answer is that Simba can offer to go to town for people and bring the things they need. Means what Simba is thinking, that Simba can offer to go to market or go to the town for people for the other people, other shopkeepers. He can go to the town and bring the things they need. Whatever the things they need, he can bring. Now the next question number 7. What does Chisimba do after he consults with his parents about his idea? The answer is, after consulting with his parents, Chisimba goes to market to talk with Mr. Chiesu and Mrs. Musole. After consulting his parents and his family members, he is deciding that he will do this thing, and then he is going to the market and he talks with Mr. Chiesu and Mrs. Musole. The next question number 8. Question number 8, it is given, if Mrs. Musole and Mr. Chiesu both give Chisimba their bus fare, how much will he save each time he goes to town? The answer is, if Mrs. Musole and Mr. Chiesu both give Chisimba their bus fare, then he will save half of the money each time he goes to town. Each time whenever he will go to town, he will save half of the money, because both Mr. Chiesu and Mrs. Musole both is giving the amount their bus fare. So Chisimba will spend only one bus fare. So half of the money will save. Yes or no? So this is the answer. Now the next question number 9. Do Mrs. Musole and Mr. Chiesu like Chisimba's idea? So answer is yes. Answer is yes. Mrs. Musole and Mr. Chiesu like Chisimba's idea. Question number 10. Question number 10, it is given, with whom does Chisimba share his plan on the way home? As he is going way home, before reaching to the home, with whom Chisimba is sharing his plan? The answer is, on the way home, Chisimba shares his plan with Godwin's family. With Godwin's family, he is sharing the plan. Yes or no? Now the question number 11. What good news does Mrs. Mulenga have for Chisimba? The answer is, the good news is that Chisimba can stay with Mrs. Mulenga's cousin and his family in Kave. Okay, in Kave. So here it is given that the good news. What is the good news? Mrs. Mulenga, what good news she is having for the Chisimba? So the good news is that Chisimba can stay with Mrs. Mulenga's cousin. Okay, and his family in Kave, and he don't have to pay for the meal and the for stay. So this is the good news for Chisimba. The next question it is given here. What will Chisimba need to do in exchange for a place to stay in Kave? Because Chisimba is going to live in Kave free of cost. He don't have to pay for the meal, for the stay. So what will Chisimba need to do in exchange for a place to stay in Kave? The answer is, Chisimba will need to work in fields in exchange for a place to stay in Kave. Okay. Now question number 13. I think this is the last question. What does Chisimba say to Rose and Musonda as he leaves? As Musonda is leaving that place. So what he is saying? The answer is, Chisimba says that doors are opening to Rose and Musonda as he leaves. As Chisimba is leaving, so what he is saying? He is saying that doors are opening. Okay. So this is the last question. Now we are going to the activity number 3. What is the activity number 3? Activity number 3, it is given. Now your tutor will read the exercise below and ask you to circle the answer. So first one question it is given. If something is worth a try, it means that in the lesson you have studied, it is worth of try. Mr. Chiesu is saying to Chisimba that it is the worth of a try. So what does it mean? First option, it is given it cost a lot of money, so this will be not there. Second one, it is given it is useless to try, this is also not good, not right answer. The third one, it is given it is a good things to try, this will be the right answer, C1. First C will be the answer, it is good thing to try, so you will circle this answer. Now the next question, number 2, activity number 3, question number 2, it is given as Simba leaves, he says doors are opening. This means that. What is the meaning of that doors are opening? The answer, here options are given. First option, the things he trying are working out. This will be the answer. First one only is the answer. The things he is trying are working out. B1 given, it is he is ready to walk into the house. No, this will be not answer. And C1 answer, it is given someone is holding a door open for him. No, this is also not right. So answer will be second A. Okay. Now today's homework, students, we have completed activity number 2 and 3. Now today's home assignment. So today's home assignment is that do the question and answer of lesson number 13 in your book and learn nicely. First, what you have to do, whatever question and answer we have discussed here, all the question and answer you have to complete in your book, and then after you will learn all the question and answer very nicely. And second homework, it is given here, complete activity number 3 of lesson 13 in your book. Activity number 3, which we have discussed just now, you will complete in book. Okay, this is today's homework, students. Thank you everyone. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.